Good morning, children. That day only I have give you the concept of addition. Today we will fully discuss the addition. Okay. For 2-3 days only I am giving the concept of addition. That how add we will do with the help of pictures. How we will do add with the help of pictures. Okay. So today we will do fully what I told you, that if addition means the total number of things. Total number of things. Suppose your mother has given 2 balloons and your father also given 2 balloons. So total how many balloons are there? There are how many balloons? There are total 4 balloons. This is the addition. You don't go with the 1 plus, no. In this you just count the pictures and numbers you write. With the help of pictures we will do addition. Okay, with the help of the pictures we will do addition. So first of all, when we are doing addition, this thing you keep in mind. Addition means total number of things that we have. Okay, suppose I have 2 pens. Suppose I have 2 pens. 2 pen, 1 and 2. And somebody has given me 2 more pens. So total how many pens are there? You count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we will write 2 plus 2. Okay. So it's become 4. It's become how many pens? It's become 4 pens. Okay. Suppose I have 3 pens. Suppose I have 3 pens and somebody has given me 1 more pen. Now total number of pen will be 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again you see, I have only 1 pen and my mother has given 1 more pen. So how many pen are there? 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. Okay. Suppose I have 2 pen and my mother has given me 1 more pen. So how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. Total how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. So totally I have how many pens? I have 3 pens. Like this only. This is what? This is tree. And in this tree many mangoes grow. Every day I am teaching. And remember the concept? Now I will go with this today. Because I have made something for you. And this I will teach you according to the pictures you just say. Okay. Suppose in this tree 1 mango grow first. After some time, one more mango grow. So total how many more mangoes are there? 1, 2. Total how many mangoes are there? 1. First of all only 1 mango is there. After some time more mango grow. So total how many? 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. 1, 2. You will write 1, 1. Then you will write 2. I will teach you how you will write. In this tree already 2 mangoes are there. Now after 2 mangoes, 1 more mango grow. So total how many mangoes? Already 2 are there. 2 are there. 1, 2. 1 more mango grow. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. 1, 2, 3. What? 1, 2, 3. How many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Suppose 1 mango is there. After some time, 1, 2, 1 One mango is already there. After some time, 3 more mangoes grown. 1, 2, 3. One is already there. So total how many mangoes grown in this tree? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many mango grow? 1, 2, 3, 4. You just listen to this, that first of all only one mango grew. After some time how many mango? 1, 2, 3. So total how many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally it is 4 mangoes. Totally 4 mangoes grown. Okay. So children, all you have to do the addition with the help of pictures. So I have made one chart for you with the help of pictures. This is the addition. Okay. This is addition. What you call addition? This is the sign of plus and this is the sign of equals to. This is the sign of plus and this is the sign of equals to. Again you see plus equals to. Okay. So you just count the pictures. Here it is how many pictures? 1. Here also 1. You write the number 1. You write the number 1 here. You just count the pictures. Okay, equal to total how many are there? 1, 2. So you will write 2 here. Just count the pictures. Okay. Here it is 1. 1 written. Here it is also 1. 1 written. So how you will read it? 1 plus 1 equals to how much? 1, 2. Okay. Again you see 1. Here it is 1, 1. One lollipop is there. Here also one lollipop. So we will not count this just say. No. We will count plus, before plus, how many numbers pictures are there? 1. After, here also one lollipop. After that, how many? 1, 2. So total is 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. This is the concept. You count. You count and write the number. See here. How many are there? 1, 2. So here written 2. 1, 2. 2. Circle. This one circle. Na? 2 circle are there. Here it also 2. So total how many circles here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here. Okay. Before plus you will write 1, 2. Here 2. 1, 2. After plus 1, 2. So total how many circle are there? You count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this 2 plus 2 will be 4. You just don't go with so many confusion. You just count the pictures and write the number there. Automatically with counting you got the answer. With the counting of the pictures you got the answer. Okay. So you just count the pictures and write the number here. Okay. Here it is 2. Here see triangle. This one triangle. See this circle. This is a triangle. In triangle you see the picture. How many pictures of triangle is there here? 1, 1, 2. So we have written 2. Here how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3. So I have written here 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. So total how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have written here 5. Once again you see here how many pictures of triangle? 1, 2. This is a sign of plus. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. So you will write here 3. So how we will read it? 2 plus 3 equals to, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the concept that. Again you see the next one. Here it is 4. 4? No, I just count first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ice creams are there. 4 ice cream. Here it is 2. 1, 2. So 4 plus 2 will be, how many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many ice creams are there? 6 ice cream. How many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You write here 4. 1, 2. So how will read it? 4 plus 2. How many are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just count. Last one, it's not visible. So I like this. Last one, you see. How many are there? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many candles are there? 7 candles. Here you see. 1, 2, 3. 3 candles. So total how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total how many candles are there? 10 candles. So 7 plus 3 will be 10. So children, that's all for today. This is the concept of addition. I will teach you. Okay? Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.